here at the track. I'm pretty much getting attacked by these little... Oh! See what I mean? The birds are attacking me. God dang. I only came here to work on the track. Not going to show you anything yet. Right now, I'm going to explain what's going on the car. Ooh, my.
We all know quite a number of people who have everything that it would take to be happy, and they are not happy because they want something else or they want more of the same.
I just finished priming. I'm gonna leave it dry for another 5 minutes. And then I'm going to move the car more toward the left so you guys could get an angle of me sanding and working on the car. I just finished cleaning my air filter. It was pretty, they're naming up by a new one soon anyways, but just to give it a little cleanup for now. And after that, I'm going to finish cleaning the inside of my little door for my gas tank or whatever you want to call it. I just finished cleaning the air intake and setting it up, so that's back in place. I am going to finish cleaning the inside of my gas tank or the door. We finished cleaning the inside of the door for the gas tank, and then they cleaned my car. Grinder, but I don't have all my tools with me. I have to go back to the garage, and I'm not going back to the garage. This is pretty much just a little quick cleanup. Now I'm gonna have to wash it with a product, and then I am going to tape everything up. So I'm gonna need my tape. I've got my newspaper, and pretty sure I have Narvalo. Yeah, I've got some blue paper right there if ever I need it. That's like pretty much just dust and shit. I have a little bit more sanding to do right there and right up there. And after that I'm gonna give it a little primer just to pretty much cover up the area so that it won't rust as much. So everything's all taped up. Now when you're doing it, make sure it's not too thick. Give nice little thin layers. Leave it dry, and then I'll come back in. Oh yeah. Now for the second layer. Second coat. One more, and then I'm done. Bam! Now it's all primed. That's just a little bit of crap there. I gotta clean that area. And now to sand it once it dries out. I'm gonna explain why I'm even working on this car and fixing it up. So this is my very first car. And when I got it, the back bumper was all scratched up. There was a spoiler on the trunk and I took it off, so there's 2 holes there where the spoiler screws are. So I had to weld in 2 little plates there, 2 little plates here. So that's all primed up. The back fenders were rusted, pierced through, so I had to sandblast it and weld on new metal. Well, I was going to order some new fenders and then weld in a fender right there, but instead I just made my own fender. So that's what I did there, and on the other side also. And the front bumper, I'll show you a picture instead of actually going in the front there. The front bumper was cracked and I fixed it. And yeah, the reason why I'm fixing it is because this is my very first car. I got it when I got my license, so I don't really want to just get rid of it. I'd like to keep it forever if I can and turn it into a project car. So that's my goals right now. Don't mind that stupid exhaust. My exhaust was actually cut for some reason when I got it, and it was ending all the way back there. And every time I was pulling up at a stop or at a red light, in traffic, the smoke would end up going into my trunk and then filling up my trunk with smoke, and then it would enter through the seats. My dad threw that on just so it'll stop the smoke from going into my trunk for now. So my plans are to change the suspension, the brakes, swap the engine out, and put in either a K20 or just for now put in a B18. My goals are to put in a K20. So K20A has got to be in there by H2O. Now people would usually just say why not just sell the car since it's an automatic, but I'm just going to swap it from automatic to manual because, like I said, it's my first car and I put so much work into it now. Why should I just get rid of it? For now, I'm going to show you the wheels that, my brother's wheels for his Golf. We painted them last year. No, we painted them 2 years ago. And when we got them for $25 per mag. Let's just say for $25 mags, well, $100 mags, the set. The paint job at the end came out perfect. I'm warning you, these mags are dirty, so don't hate. But, bam. These are the wheels for his Golf, Volkswagen Golf. The center cap is all white with the little Volkswagen sign. They're in his car, so I can't really show you them now, but you get the idea. I painted the edge of the rim all gold so that it would give it a little kick, and the inside is painted all black. Now naturally what he wanted was the inside all white with this, but I felt like you wouldn't, like, you'd get a better kick if the inside was all black, and it looks fantastic. So I'm just sanding just this rough primer duster off so that it can be just a little bit cleaner. I might not know how to explain everything perfectly, but I know what I'm doing. I grew up in this stuff since I was 12 years old. I'm resetting the gas door. Et voila! Oh, god damn it. It's a little bit more inwards. I'm gonna have to pop it back outwards. Alright. So now it's flush. Looking good. Smoother than before. So I'm gonna clean the car and then I'm going to have a nice relaxful skate sesh, play some ping pong, and then do some cooking. Because I don't want any dropping marks, so I'm gonna go take it for a ride.